Meron din silang iba't iba.
It fell down on me. I'm gonna open this now.
Let's try. Engraving. So, Comox, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We will try this today with my pumpkin. Ayan. Sino ba yan?